Before you get inside, you want to download it? The videos?
Alright.
You're videoing it?
Put it in.
What's with this?
I don't know. Hold the tarp down. Now you got to find the lugs. Tuck it in. Look, like this. Hold the tire.
Yeah.
Tuck it in, and then find the lugs. Turn until you find them. You just gotta find one. Hey, there you go. You got one. Hang on. Do it again. The same place. Right there. You got it. Just find that one. Don't put your fingers in the hole. All right. Let's loosen it. There you go. Put one hand here and just spin it. There you go. Keep it straight.
That's what.
Like this. Keep it level with the bolt, and then it'll spin easier.
Now it's tight, that's why. Oops.
Keep it level. It jumps off when you raise it in the air. Okay, now don't have to get it tight. Just snug them all up. Make sure they're all snug. Yep, it'll do that. It'll do that. Now I'm going to lower it, and then you're going to be able to do it again. Oop. Get this out.